What up, y'all? Just showing y'all a quick video on how I make breakfast in the truck. You know, got my frying pan right here, and this is the inverter. Now the thing with this inverter, this is the kind of inverter I got. This is a pure sine wave inverter, and there's a difference. See, I also have an inverter right here too, with the house socket, right? But I don't use that one because it's connected to the inverter that goes. The inverter that's plugged into that came with the Thermo King APU, and that's not a pure sine wave inverter. You know, pure sine wave inverters are they're like the best inverters that you can get, because the I don't know, it's like it's a bit technical to get into it, but basically the electricity is more fluid. There's no interruptions in the electricity. It's kind of like the electricity in your house. You know, the inverters that you get out of the truck stop, they cool for, like, I don't know, just really minor stuff like maybe charging your cell phone. But I will say that those kind of inverters can damage your devices. Because I had a laptop where the battery got messed up when I was using one of those inverters. You know, one of the normal inverters where it's the wave is kind of square. You know what I'm saying? So if you're gonna get an inverter, I recommend getting something like that. This is called the ProWatt SW. This is only 1,000 watt, and it's made by a company called Xantrex. I think it's Xantr. Begins with an X. Pretty good inverters. I haven't had any issues out of it, man. So, like, y'all saw me with my beat machine. I plug my beat machine into that because, again, that's more. You get a more steady electrical current. It's not as interrupted as the other inverter. So those inverters that you get out of the truck stop and stuff, I mean, they cool. They'll serve a purpose, but be careful with them because they can damage your devices, your phones, your laptops, or whatever it is you're trying to hook up. But anyways, I'm gonna finish up with these eggs or whatever, and I'm sure there's gonna be some funny comments in the comment section about this, whatever. You know what I mean? Y'all get your rocks off however you got to get them off. About my eggs or whatever. But anyways, I'm out here in the truck. I'm eating good. So that's all I got for now. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.